So with this, we're actually looking at the strip and cutting out the pieces. Right,
so you see all those little black dots there? That's the bulb of the hair. Imagine that like the seed.
Shot glass.
And then you see this yellow?
Yep.
It's a thin layer of fat. So what we're going to do is cut them into the right size
The hair
grafts.
follicle will separate from the follicular bulb.
So I'll show you how. So you see this piece here? She has great hair. Very, very nice hair. Full follicles, nice and long. You see how these have like multiple grafts? So this is considered a graft, and each one of those little bulbs is a follicle within that graft.
Okay.
And her density, beautiful. A lot of girls kill for this type of density. So what I'm doing is trimming them into the right size grafts that I need.
So you can place them.
Correct. So you see here? So when a doctor is like, when you want to do the FUE, what he was talking about in Turkey, you see how there's like a slight curl?
Yeah.
It's like a slight C. That machine just goes straight. It doesn't know to curve.
Oh.
So that's why you'll get density,
right?
but you won't get the most. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So when people get hair, they'll get hair, but you won't get the maximum amount of hair that you can get.
It's too curly.
Correct. So these ones, you're gonna see me separate some from ones and twos, and that'll be her front hairline, aka her baby hairs. So you'll hear him tell me like, Jen, I want this certain amount of smalls, and then that way I know, okay, well I need to get this for the front hairline. This is where it's gonna be the density.
Get them queued up so you know what to put.
Exactly. So then the next phase will be making a bunch of sites, and that's where we're going to place the hairs. And that's really the procedure.
That's it.
You like the Meta glasses?
They're pretty cool.